I'm going to answer the most asked questions about music by my students. So, if you are a Carnatic student or a Western student, stick around because there is definitely something that you'll learn from this video. Question number one. What's the difference between Carnatic and Western music scales? That's a wonderful question. So, I'll try to answer it as simple as possible. Okay. So, the Western music system, the octave is divided into 12 equal parts. Okay. So you have 7 notes which are divided into 12 equal parts. In the Carnatic system, however, it is based on 22 shrutis, which should not be confused with notes. You have 7 swaras and you have 12 swarasthanas and then you have 22 shrutis. Okay, because of this 22 shrutis, it is microtonal in nature. Western music is equally balanced, it's evenly spaced, it is much more simple, whereas Carnatic music is microtonal, so it allows a lot of flexibility between the notes and you can improvise a lot more and there is a lot of expression in it. If you want to learn more about this, there is a PDF that I've linked in the description that you can download and learn about it in detail. Question number two. Is it harder to sing in Carnatic or Western styles? This is an interesting question because both have their challenges. Western classical singing is focused more on breath control, vibrato, and resonance. Carnatic demands intricate bends or gamagas, rapid swaras, and deep knowledge of ragas. Both require years of practice. It takes a lot more years to master. So, a simple answer is Carnatic is much more intricate than Western. Okay, but if you are going to be a film singer and you want to become a playback singer, it is something that you can do either as a Carnatic or a Western. There is differences, but not something that would stop you from being a singer. Question number three. Can I mix Carnatic and Western music? Absolutely. Many composers have actually done this successfully, like Ilayaraja sir, A.R. Rahman sir, L. Shankar, or John McLaughlin, Shakti. They have beautifully blended Carnatic and Western, where the melody of Carnatic and the harmonization of Western come in beautifully and give you this experience which is the best of both worlds. So 100% go ahead, mix it. That's what Carnatic fusion is all about. And music is all about evolving, learning, and incorporating the various things that you learn over the years. Question number four. What is the difference between a raga and a scale? A scale is just a set of notes, but a raga is a scale plus rules on how to use them. Okay, like specific phrases like the gamagam, the emotions, the time of the day. You do have something called time theory in Carnatic, which is much more prominent in Hindustani, but it does exist in Carnatic, but it's not followed as strictly. Okay, so if you think a scale is an alphabet, raga is a poem. So that's how it is. It's much more intricate and it's much more deep. Question number five. Why does Carnatic music use a drone? I mean a tambura. That's a wonderful observation. The drone helps maintain pitch stability and creates a rich bass, that enhances the effect of the gamagas. It is also a reference point for people to stay on tune. But initially, when you're learning, you would see traditional teachers. They use a harmonium, okay? Because in the early stages, I assume you're a beginner. So if you're a beginner, harmonium makes much more sense because it gives you the exact note that you have to sing. And sometimes when students are singing, they do not get the difference between the tones of the note. At that point of time, listening to notes in the harmonium or tambura gives a good base for students and performers to stay on the particular shruti. Though professional singers don't have a problem with the shruti. Once they hear it, they would just stay on the same tune and they would just keep going on. Question number six. What is the Carnatic equivalent of Western chords? See, Carnatic music, as I've been saying, is purely melodic, but we do have certain ragas which have harmony. For example, when we use in film music, you have Kalyani. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa, and you have Kiravani, which is a harmonic minor in the Western thing, and Kalyani is Lydian mode. So they have natural harmonic qualities, but we do not have an equivalent to chord, but we do have harmonic ragas. Question number 7. Can I learn both Carnatic and Western music? 100% yes. In fact, I recommend that you learn both, because learning both makes you a better musician and it gives you a better understanding of music. You can see people like A.R. Rahman, lot of other composers who have learned both Carnatic and Western. So they have created wonderful melodies that gives you mastery over the melody, harmony, and rhythm side of things. Because each and every style has its own unique strength. So learning different things adds more. So I definitely think that it helps. Yes, learn both. I had a wonderful time answering your questions. If you enjoyed this, hit like and drop your questions in the comments and subscribe for more videos in the future. Until next time, keep practicing and have a wonderful music journey.